There are a lot of tips out there for how to grow a YouTube channel in 2019. So if you're a small channel or you're just getting started on YouTube, this TubeBuddy tutorial will show you how to leverage the power of YouTube SEO to find the most effective keyword ranking strategy for your specific business. By the way, be sure to stick around all the way till the end of this video and I'll share my super secret tip for getting a surge of traffic to your YouTube video right after you post it. If you're tired of all the same vague advice about growing your online business, make sure you smash that subscribe button because on this channel, you'll find all kinds of golden nuggets that other people make you pay for. A lot of people are talking about TubeBuddy and Morning Fame and VidIQ to grow your YouTube channel, but not a lot of people are using the tools properly. I'm Kate Murray, and if you're new here, my goal is to cut through the online noise and share real actionable strategies that you can start using today to grow your business. Let's get started. Tip number 1, before you start using TubeBuddy, in fact, before you even make your video, you need to do some research to verify that the search volume of the topic that you're thinking about is even worth it. Let's take a look at exactly what that means.
I'm going to type the word TubeBuddy into a Google search. I am using a free Chrome browser extension called Keywords Everywhere. You can download this at keywordseverywhere.com. As you can see, this extension is going to show me the volume of the number of people searching for this term every single month. 49,500 people is a lot of people. So right from the get-go, I know this is a good topic because I did this simple 5-second search to see the volume of people who are actually searching for this topic. You want to make sure there are a lot of people searching for the topic before you take the time to make a video or write a blog about it. When I first started blogging, I wrote about the importance of marketing and sales alignment. Even though I thought my audience was very interested in this topic, as you can see with a simple Google search, this topic is not very popular at all. In other words, nobody is actually searching for it. So the search engine indicates that there are 28 million results on this topic. But now that I know better, I realize that nobody is actually searching for the topic. With this particular example, the better choice of words is sales enablement because 6,600 people are actually searching for that search term.
Tip number 2, competitiveness is super important for SEO. So you'll need a basic understanding of search engine optimization specifically for video. Let's take a closer look.
Once you have signed up for TubeBuddy and connected your YouTube account, you'll notice this little TubeBuddy icon that appears right here next to the YouTube search bar when you're on the platform. So I'm going to take my search term and type it in here again. In this case, we were using TubeBuddy as the example. Remember, Keywords Everywhere pulls 49,500. So the reason these two numbers are different is because Keywords Everywhere is actually giving you an average of the total searches that people performed for your particular keyword each month over the last 12 months for all of Google. Whereas TubeBuddy ties into the YouTube API. That means they're sort of going on the back end behind the scenes and pulling stats directly from YouTube. And what they're doing is TubeBuddy is estimating the number of searches based on your keyword and combinations with your keyword in it. TubeBuddy gives an estimate, whereas Keywords Everywhere is a calculated average. So let's click here to see the weighted score. As you can see, there are 2.17 million videos in the search results. That number is really, really, really competitive. That's why TubeBuddy is giving you a poor score. So this is where your understanding of search engine optimization comes in. Instead of using just one word, we are going to explore a long tail keyword phrase. So let's try TubeBuddy tutorial. TubeBuddy tutorial is still a poor choice because there are still 694,000 videos in the search results. Now, there are 280 searches per month, so we're getting a little bit warmer. Let's try a slightly different variation, TubeBuddy for beginners. Okay, so that long tail keyword phrase makes it much easier for a small channel to rank because now there's only 341,000 videos in the search results. The magic number here is actually 100,000 or less for a small channel, but since TubeBuddy is such an ultra competitive word and the software is ranking this phrase as good, I'm just going to go with it.
This is where TubeBuddy comes in really handy. Now that you know the competitiveness of your keyword, you can use TubeBuddy to narrow down a long tail keyword phrase into something that you can actually rank for.
Using different combinations of long tail keyword phrases is the exact same method that I use to prepare the video that you're watching right now. As you can see, TubeBuddy gives you a weighted score and an unweighted score. This is a great feature because it enables you to compare your channel to the other channels that are currently ranking for this long tail keyword phrase.
Do you just think up a topic, or do you actually do research before you write your blog or record a video? Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 3, once you have your primary long tail keyword phrase nailed down, you're going to need to use it in 3 different places: the title, the description, and the tags.
So when you upload your video to YouTube, make sure your MP4 has the same file name as that long tail keyword phrase. So then what you're going to do here in the title bar is you're going to type your exact title, which is the same name, and then you're also going to go ahead and copy that exact same title name right down here inside the description box. Then you are going to make sure that when you're typing your description, you also use the exact same title.
Let's take a closer look at the tags because this is where TubeBuddy can really help you get an edge over your competitors.
So as you can see from the video upload screen, TubeBuddy is going to give suggestions for tags. But before we take their suggestions, the first thing we want to do is research our own tags. So the way I'll do that is I have my long tail phrase that I'm going to use in here, TubeBuddy for beginners. I'm going to take a look at the top 3 videos that are currently ranking for this keyword phrase. So this particular video has 16,000 views and it was published 6 months ago. This one has 11,000 views 3 months ago. This one has 97,000 views and it was published 7 months ago. So let's take a look at this one with 97,000 views.
What is TubeBuddy? Can it help me grow on?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into the video, and as you can see on the right hand side, TubeBuddy is bringing up all of the information about this video: 347 comments, 98,000 views. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to look at the tags, and I'm going to make sure that I steal some of these tags only if they are super relevant to what my video is about. How to get started with TubeBuddy in 2019. How to get started with TubeBuddy to grow. I'm not so sure if I really like that tag. I'm not so sure if people actually would search that. I might do another search to see what the volume is, if there is any volume on that. How to get started on YouTube with TubeBuddy. That's a good one. And then they're just using TubeBuddy, getting started with TubeBuddy. How to get started with TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy with a space in between. So as you can see, these tags are super, super important because the algorithm will pull from these tags. Now, if you were not using a tool like TubeBuddy, you would not be able to view these tags. And it's a huge time saver because even if you are a developer and you know how to look at the source code to find the tags, which, believe it or not, the tag can be found inside this source code. Even if you knew how to read this code and find the tags, you would still take a really, really long time to be able to find the tags. So another huge benefit of TubeBuddy. So let's go back over here to the upload screen where they're giving you the suggestions for tags. Now click this button to refresh the scores, and these numbers are going to give you where your video will rank among the current search results. So then you simply add the ones with the lowest ranking to the ones that you already researched, making sure, of course, that they are still relevant.
Now that you've got a solid understanding of how to use TubeBuddy, want to know my secret sauce for driving even more views to my YouTube videos? I use Pinterest. I carry over my keywords, descriptions, tags, and hashtags into the pin, and I post a pin on the same day that I post a brand new video. If you want to learn even more about how to amplify your reach and grow your online business, make sure you click the link in the comments below to sign up for my free email masterclass. I'll send you an email a day for 5 days sharing the super secret sauce that digital agencies use to get more traffic and more conversions. After working in corporate and agency marketing for 14 years, I know what works and what doesn't. So make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out when I upload a brand new video every Wednesday. Thanks for watching. See you next time.